Who remembers this classic MRE? Chili mac. Also a mess hall favorite. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make this on your own. Finely dice half of one onion. Pre-measure your seasonings. Use fresh garlic if available. Season a pot of boiling water. Add oil to a hot pan and saute your onions for 3 to 4 minutes. If using fresh garlic, add that now and continue to saute. Add noodles to boiling water. Add meat to your pan, finally break apart, and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Add your seasonings, mix, and continue to cook. Next, add a can of diced tomatoes and a can of tomato paste. Fill that can with water and add that to the mix too. Cover that pan and we're going to let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. Make sure you continue to mix. Add your noodles, mix it up, and you're ready to enjoy some delicious chili mac. This is going to yield you about 8 cups, so you're going to have some leftovers for tomorrow. For breakfast, I'm going to saute some jalapenos. Going to add that chili mac right to the pan. I like to crisp the noodles up a little bit. Add some cheddar cheese. Let it melt. Here's a jalapeno sauce I made a few nights ago. Here's the chili mac with some melted cheddar. Here's over medium egg, some avocado, some more jalapenos, and some sour cream. Beautiful. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy.